Now we'll go to one more concept which is called as rainwater harvesting. Before I come to the concept of rainwater harvesting, I would like to tell you about water harvesting. Now, water harvesting is a technique of storing water for future use. As we have discussed that all the natural resources should be conserved and preserved for future use. Similar is for water. Water should be saved for future. That is called as water conservation or water harvesting. Now, among all the water sources, you can save water by storing it in ponds. You can harvest water by storing them in reservoirs or tanks. You can store water by making lakes, small size lakes. So those are some of the techniques by which you can store water or harvest water or conserve water for future. Now in this concept I'll only talk about how to harvest rainwater, how to collect rainwater and how to use it for the future, because rainwater is also a form of water. We can definitely use rainwater for washing, for maybe gardening our plants, maybe for irrigation. We may not be using the rainwater for drinking, but other purposes of water can be fulfilled by the rainwater. So you see the concept here now. So you can see this is the roof of a house. This is the roof of the house where the rain will fall. Roof of the house where the rain will fall. That area where the rain will fall on the roof is called as roof catchment area. You can see there, the spelling is given there, roof catchment area. This is the place where the rainwater will be collected initially when the rain falls. After the falling down of rain on the roof catchment area, they will be connected to a baffle. You can see here one pipe like structure is given there. It is called as baffle. All the rain that will fall here will come down here and they will be collected in this pipe. It is called as the baffle, BAFFLE. Once they are collected in the baffle, they all will be coming down to this connection. You can see here. So here this connection is called as the down pipe. So this is roof catchment area on the top of the house, whatever type of house we have. This is the baffle which will bring down the rainwater and it will be connected to a down pipe and it will come down. When the rainwater comes down to the down pipe, you can connect it to a filter. Once the rainwater goes to the filter, all the unwanted particles will be removed from the filter. After the processing of the water from the filter, unwanted particles will be removed and the useful water can be used for different purposes. So you can see how rainwater can be utilized for different purposes. Maybe in the future you will see that rainwater harvesting will be a must in all the buildings. These days in many cities abroad and in many cities in the metro cities of India, if you do not have the rainwater harvesting technique, they don't give you sanction to build that building. So rainwater harvesting is a type of saving rainwater for future, so that small type of water related works of your house are done by this rainwater.